Hey everyone, welcome to Ope Wanders. Today we are heading out to Fonferek Glen, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that is located in Ledgeview, Wisconsin. We've heard it's a pretty cool place. There's a waterfall, should be frozen over, so we're gonna see what happens. But come along, see you in a bit.
I think I see Liz. Hi.
Feels so good. I haven't found a way down. This whole thing is like all everywhere.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful in there.
Like if you look over here, like this is all
Oh yeah.
all around here. You can see all like the different layers and stuff.
Oh, here's a perfect spot to get down, it looks like.
Yeah, I just don't want to do this at home.
Gotcha.
So yeah, perfect spot. Doesn't sound like anything's running.
No, it should be good. It's pretty solid.
It's a little slick. I mean, this can't break, right?
Oh, I mean, it could, but it seems pretty solid.
I'll put the finger in. It's gonna be cold if it breaks.
It is.
I have no idea how deep this is either.
It's looking a little sketch right there.
Right here?
Right up there, maybe. Wait,
I'm lighter than you.
yeah.
I think I'm not. You're walking on it. I'll put the finger in. So far, so good.
All right.
Pretty solid.
Kind of looks like it, but you never know.
Just a little bit.
Oh. Pretty solid.
Oh my gosh, it makes me
Watch
so
out for that.
nervous. I do not like walking on ice. We did ask people, and it is only like a couple feet deep if it would break.
Yeah.
So
It shouldn't be too bad if you do
shouldn't go over my head. That's all I care about.
I mean, it seems pretty solid though.
I mean, it has to be.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that. Find a spot.
Spongy in that spot.
I'm gonna go over here then. To push me.
Push you. Oh, that's fun. That is slick.
Thought I would have slid back. I gotta get over here to stand up.
We are officially under the waterfall. And it is extremely, extremely slick under here.
This is like completely horrible to walk on.
Yeah, it's the ice here is incredibly slick.
Don't go any further. We don't have pet feet. Ooh, look at how cool this ice is.
That's really cool.
It's all little balls. That's so cool.
It is. What a beautiful day. After several, just went through the ice, but that's okay. After several weeks of negative temperatures, we're back at it.
It's 75 degrees warmer today than last Sunday.
It is. It's kind of crazy to think that it's 75 degrees warmer than last Sunday. And it's still not like super warm.
It's 25.
But the sun is out. Yeah, the sun is out, so it's really nice out.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Just making our way down the frozen river.
I'm gonna shimmy across this really scary looking frozen spot. It's all very frozen, but it's very, very slippery.
Stay over here a little bit.
Where? Let's look at those feet frozen spots. I'm just going straight through the middle. As someone who has fallen through the ice before, it makes me a little more nervous when we walk over it, even though it's not very deep. Sure is pretty in here, though.
Should we go search for the arch?
So now we're going to go search for the arch.
Pretty unreal. Look at that.
So cool.
Getting a little wet.
Melting.
Oh.
Probably good thing we came to this today.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, she's soft.
Oh, soft.
Oh. Sinking into the ice.
I was nerve wracking. Oh, I don't like it.
Well, that was pretty cool. So we're gonna go on to the next stop. Well, we just stopped along Lake Michigan here, and we're gonna take a little beach walk, check things out. It looks really cool today, especially with the sunshine. So stay tuned, let's take a little walk.
It's so cold I have to walk backwards. The wind is, it's pretty brutal.
All right, we are heading to our third place for the day. It is going to be Cave Point County Park. I'm not quite sure that I'm going to be able to get the drone in the air just because the wind has really picked up and I just don't want to risk it, but we've heard that it is really awesome and really iced over right now, so come along with us. Let's take a look. Excited. Well, we're over here at Cave Point Park, and as you can tell, it is very windy. You can hear the ice just hitting off the cliffs. It's kind of cool. Well, there you have it, Cave Point Park. It's extremely windy, so the drone's not going up, but beautiful day. That is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it. So even though we didn't get any drone footage today, take a look at this drone footage that I took a couple months ago.